Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get 2 players on Super Smash Bros. Ultimate. First, make sure your second controller is connected to your Nintendo Switch console. You can use Joy-Cons, a Pro controller, or even a GameCube controller with an adapter. Once connected, the system should recognize both controllers automatically. Each player can then select their preferred controller type from the options menu, ensuring a comfortable gaming experience for everyone. Now that your controllers are ready, let's jump into the game. From the Super Smash Bros. Ultimate main menu, you'll want to navigate to the large Smash icon. Select this icon, and then choose Smash once more to enter the Versus mode options. Here, you'll see several choices, but for a 2-player match, simply select VS mode to proceed with setting up your exciting battle. With Versus mode selected, it's time for the fun part, choosing your fighters. Each player will now select their desired character from the extensive roster of over 80 unique fighters. After making your choice, confirm it by pressing the button. Next, you'll move on to the stage selection screen. Pick any of the more than 100 available stages to set the scene for your epic showdown. Before the battle begins, you have the option to customize the game rules. You can adjust settings such as the number of stocks, the time limit, or whether items appear during the match. There are many options to tailor the experience to your liking. Once all your preferred rules are set, confirm them, and then you're all ready to start your 2-player Super Smash Bros. Ultimate match. Have fun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.